Hello, Draspa. How are you? Nice to hear from your success.
Hi, Jasper. Congratulations. We are proud of you on your remarkable achievement. We wishing your continued success in your future. May God bless you always. We love you and regards.
We wish you all the best. Regards from Germany. Bye-bye. Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
Ayon, you did it. Congratulations. God bless you always. I wish you success in your future endeavors. Congratulations again. Enjoy. God bless.
Congratulations on your graduation, Ayon. We are proud of you. You made it.
Woo!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hey!
Hello, Kuya Ayon. Congratulations on your graduation day. God bless you. We miss you. Have a great day always. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Yong. Congratulations. Wow! Nag-graduate na jud kayo. Kadali sa panahon, oy. Sa una, na-remember pa jud na ako, naginahatod pataka sa bridges. And then, di ba? And then, nag-attend ko sa mga activities nimo dito. Diyos ko, kadali sa panahon. Anyways, Yong, so, congratulations again. Wish na ko sa imuha, you will continue to strive hard to achieve your dreams. Because I know you are a very hardworking person. But always remember, pray always. Whatever plans you have, always pray for it and ask for the guidance of the Lord. And then, always remember, if you need anything, except lang sa kwarta, kay mas daghan si Mami Joy, ana. If you need anything, just message me or text me. I'm always here to support you. And good luck. Because, you know, Yong, this is the true battle. Kay nakagraduate naman ka, you know. But I know you have other plans. Hopefully, ma-fulfilled na nimo o mahuman nimo ang plano nimo in life. And then, naalang me always here to support you. So, congratulations again, Yong. Hopefully, the surprise ka na mo. Surprise! Yes, Yong. So, congratulations. Enjoy your day. And I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye!
Hello, Yong!
Congratulations, Yong. Natuma na gud ang imong gipangandoy nga makahumang kasi mong eskwela. Hinaoton ta nga magpadayon ang maayo nimong mga tinguha ug malipay ka sa imong mga kurso.
Hello,
God bless.
Yong! Oh, sige. Congratulations sa Yong! Maka-happy, maka-proud yun. Kay graduate na nga akong baby nga gialagaan since birth. Daghang naatinan nga mga talent. Piano, guitar, singing, violin. Maka-happy, labi na ang passionista di ay. Ang asa ka nga mall, tua, ang mga lola, magtanaw.
Og uban pa.
Nagdahom yun ko nga artista ka. Sos, ginawa pinakong makato na kong Manila kaya maghatod-hatod sa muha sa mga studio. So, congratulations, Ayon. Mwah. And Mommy Joy and Daddy Pete, congratulations. Bye!